Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to stitch chudidar. Let's see how to stitch it. Here we are going to join this part, attach it here. Same way you attach it to the other part also. Now this bottom area you have to fold it properly. After folding bottom area, you have to stitch this chudidar leg. As we kept the margin of 1 inch, accordingly you have to stitch it. Don't stretch the fabric because it cut in wires. Same way you have to stitch other leg also. You can check this stitch line, how neatly it is done. Now you have to join both the legs together from the center. You can see this fork area is joined from the center. Now you have to attach this yoke part. So make it ready yoke part by stitching it from the side open part. Close it properly with the covering stitch line. Here you have to do marking for keyhole to keep gap open, to insert the string to tie up your chudidar. Now you fold the above area. Give pleats with same distance all over front and back to the hip area of bottom part and attach it to yoke like this. Now you can see your chudidar is ready with beautiful pleats all over, so that it will give fitting to the bottom part and fullness to your hip area. Now you have to make the string to insert a chudidar for tie up. Now your chudidar is ready. If you like this video, like us, subscribe us, share it with your friends and wait for our next video. Thank you.